Magic Keyboard combines a sleek design with a built-in rechargeable battery and enhanced key features. With a stable scissor mechanism beneath each key, as well as optimized key travel and a low profile, Magic Keyboard provides a remarkably comfortable and precise typing experience. It pairs automatically with your Mac, so you can get to work right away. And the battery is incredibly long-lasting. It will power your keyboard for about a month or more between charges. System requirements: Bluetooth-enabled Mac computer with OS by 10.11 or later, iPad models with iPadOS, iOS devices with iOS 9.1 or later. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly. Works very well. The battery life is fantastic. Have not had any connection issues with it.